Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today it's again a very short video, so let us start right away. I introduce you to this succulent which I have not shown you for a very long period, and see how nice and healthy it looks. It has numerous heads, it has given out stalks on both the sides. I think those are the flowering stalks. The reason why I had not shown you earlier is because it was supporting the string of hearts that was growing close beside it. Wait, let me show you. There are some string of hearts there as well, see. So that was the reason. Now this is my LiQWYD. Wait, I could capture the string of hearts. That was the reason why I didn't want to move this plant, because it was supporting the string of hearts beside it, and just today I removed it and the string of hearts were strong enough, and now they can survive on their own. That's my bougainvillea in the background. Now that's the LiQWYD. Not at all colorful because it was not in the very sunny spot, but it has given out a floral stalk. That's my LiQWYD variegata, and I'm showing you this plant again because, just hold on, there are babies coming on the tip of the leaves. Do you spot those little bumps? Those are the babies. What a beautiful plant, and a colorful one. I just love this one. There, can you see the string of hearts? The ordinary variety, it is growing there. See how healthy it looks. Let's move on to our Echeveria pulvinate ruby. Now this plant is never going to disappoint you, and the winter sun is helping the leaves to color up. Look at the margins turning red, but as the intensity of the sun increases, the whole leaf is going to turn ruby red in color. It's a beautiful plant, which was gifted to me by my sister-in-law. And from this particular plant I have taken numerous cuttings. I have got 2 more pots of pulvinate ruby. These plants, these are the asters, the seasonal flowers which I am showing you again. I had planted 3 of them, but it was growing too lanky for the pot, and so I nipped its head, and finally see it has developed 3 or 4 heads. And the best part is buds have already set in, and I think very soon it's going to bloom. I have got 3 pots of asters. This plant is doing extremely well. I have shown in my older videos, but till date I do not know the name. Now look at this beauty, how pretty she looks. This plant, this is the snake plant, the miniature one, which I am showing you after quite a long period. It was indoors in my room for quite a long period. Actually, somehow it stayed back in the room, and today I have taken it up to the terrace. See how gorgeous she looks, and very soon I am going to separate, because I already have 2 of my sisters asking for the plants. Now that's again my Echeveria pulvinate ruby, a beautiful plant. That's the LiQWYD variegata, again a beautiful one. Yes, I had to show you my bougainvillea. Otherwise, they'll start crying. I don't know, they'll start crying or I will start crying. Look at the beauty. So my dear friends, this brings me to the end of the short video. If you have liked it, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for more of interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye-bye for today.